Hi, I'm Kim from High Prairie Library, and I'm here today to show you how to make this color-changing lemonade. Butterfly pea flowers contain a pigment known as anthocyanin, which reacts to differences in pH. I printed this chart off Khan Academy to explain it a bit further to you. The pH of pure water is at 7, so right in the middle of the scale. As things become more basic, they go up to the number 14. As they become more acidic, they go down all the way to 0. Lemon juice has a pH of about 2, and that's what's going to cause the reaction in our lemonade. Our lemonade isn't quite that acidic since we're adding water. Here's what you'll need. Lemonade made with real lemon, a clear glass, measuring spoons, about a cup of water, and either butterfly pea flower powder or butterfly pea flower tea. I'm using the powder, I just bought this online. So I will take 1/4 of a teaspoon of the powder and put it into my water. There we go. Stir this until we get a nice shade of blue. And then we'll be adding this to our lemonade and you'll see it change color. So here's our lemonade with some crushed ice. Now I'm going to add the butterfly pea powder solution. The ice slows it down a bit so you can kind of see that little gradient of color. So now you're all done. I recommend giving it a bit of a stir so that the color distributes through the lemonade and it all tastes like lemonade. Otherwise you'll just taste the butterfly pea powder up at the top. But it's really sweet. Enjoy!